Hello riders, welcome back to Rider Fusion. Today we are talking about one of the most premium and futuristic electric SUVs coming from America, the 2026 Cadillac VISTIQ. Exterior design, a bold luxury statement, the 2026 VISTIQ features a futuristic design language with sleek LED DRLs, a signature Cadillac lighting bar, and a sculpted aerodynamic body. Big alloy wheels and a premium stance give this SUV a commanding presence on the road. Electric performance and RDH. The VISTIQ uses GM's Ultium electric platform, which promises improved efficiency and refinement. Expected driving range: around 480 plus kilometers strong. Instant torque, all-wheel drive capability. Interior: ultra premium cabin. Step inside and you'll feel like entering a futuristic lounge. Massive curved display, premium leather materials, smart voice assistant, ambient lighting, panoramic glass roof. Technology and safety. Cadillac packs the VISTIQ with the latest tech. Super Cruise, hands-free driving, 360 cameras, OTA updates. LiDAR-based safety, auto lane change, wireless smartphone connectivity. Expected price and launch: 2026 Cadillac VISTIQ is expected to start from around $70,000 plus, and global deliveries are planned to start in 2026. Final verdict: a perfect mix of luxury, futuristic technology, and electric performance. The Cadillac VISTIQ is definitely a premium EV to watch out for in 2026.